Model, 70-plate Vauxhall Combo L2 1.5 TD Sportive Euro 6 spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 75,579. Engine, 1,499 cc 1.5 turbo 100 PSS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner cam chain has snapped, engine will need repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.